Here I've got LGG free, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at first you have to open the browser that you are using. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then click on the More icon, which is 3 dots one located in the right upper corner, and then go to History. Now click on Clear Browsing Data, and as you can see here you've got some advanced and basic options. So in basic you will find browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. So we have all selected. Let me leave it this way. And then you can also delete all saved passwords here, autofill form data, and site settings. So you can obviously switch off some functions if you want, or if you would like to, for example, leave saved passwords, but I would like to remove them as well. And as you can see, we will delete all of these options, and then you have to pick the time range. So click on time range and select if you would like to delete all data from last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, last 4 weeks, or from the beginning, all time. And I will pick the last options because I would like to fully remove all data from my browser. And then simply click on clear data, confirm that you would like to do it, and that's it. As you can see from now on, there is no history here. You can create it from the beginning. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.